Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore structured data for affiliate reviews with Schema Pro step by step clearly. Open your website and navigate to the backend. Ensure that Schema Pro is properly installed and activated. Go to the Schema Pro dashboard. Click on the Add New button to create a new schema type. Select Product as the schema type for affiliate reviews. Fill in the required fields, starting with the product name. Enter the product description, highlighting its key features and benefits. Add the product URL where users can go for more information or purchase. Insert the product image URL to enhance the visual appeal. Next, locate the Aggregate Ratings section. Input the number of ratings and the average rating for the product. If applicable, add the Offers section by clicking on Add Offer. Input the price and conditional information about availability. Make sure to indicate the price currency. Review all of your inputs for accuracy and completeness. Once confirmed, click on the Save Schema button. Now, go to the page or post where the affiliate review is located. Edit the page or post using your preferred editor. Scroll down to the Schema Pro settings area. Select the schema you just created from the drop-down menu. Click on Update or Publish to apply the changes. To verify that the structured data is correctly implemented, use Google's Structured Data Testing tool. Enter your page URL and run the test. Check for any errors or warnings and correct them as needed. Once everything is clear, you have successfully restored structured data for your affiliate reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.